So now we are going to discuss what are the important questions you need to cover in arrays topic. Okay, so the first question is, what is array? In how many ways we can represent arrays? In how many ways we can represent arrays? So next question is nothing but explain different types of arrays. Explain different types of arrays. Okay, but most of the people know about single dimension array and multi-dimensional array, but in Java we are having jagged array also. The next question is, what is jagged array? What is jagged array? Next, now I would like to discuss some important programs. So write a Java program to arrange all the elements array elements in ascending order. So this can be called it as an what we are going to call it as an bubble sort. Okay, so you need to arrange all the elements in ascending order. So in the same way, fifth one, write a Java program to move all the zeros at the end of the array. For suppose, if I are taking input like this, array is equal to flower brackets 10, 0, 20, 0, 45, 0, 67. If you are giving array elements like this, you need to display a output like this. What is the output we need to display? Array is equal to 10, 20, 45, 67. You need to move all the zeros at the right end. 0, 0, 0. So like this, we are giving the input and we need to get the output. In the same way, sixth question. Okay, write a Java program to remove duplicate elements in an array. So this is also in interviews, mostly they are asking. We need to learn about linear search, binary search, okay, heap sort, radix sort. So we need to learn all the sorting techniques also in arrays. Okay, so write a Java program to remove duplicates in an array. Okay, and the next one is nothing but write a Java program to find out the frequency of elements in an array. So what is the meaning of this? Frequency of array elements means you need to take the array element and the array element is repeated how many times. That means, for suppose the array is having 20 is repeated for 4 times. So 20 is the element and the frequency of 20 is 4. So 20 is repeated for 4 times. So like that in array, in each element is repeated how many times, you need to find out the frequency. So mainly we need to focus all this. Already I said you need to focus on sorting techniques also. What you need to focus on sorting techniques. Bubble sort, quick sort, radix sort, heap sort. you should have a good knowledge on all the sorting techniques, and you should have a knowledge on searching techniques also, like linear search, binary search. Okay na? And we need to focus these topics. Okay, arranging all the elements in ascending order, and to move all the zeros at the end of the array, to remove all the duplicates in the array, and to find out the frequency of elements in an array. And in the same way you can find out, okay, you can find out in arrays topic only. So let us see here 8th question. Okay, write a Java program to find even and odd indexing elements. Okay, so these are the main questions they are going to ask in the interview. Okay, and coming to transpose of a given matrix multiplication, matrix addition, so these questions will be asked in some of the interviews. Okay.